Enjoy my cigar. Gonna talk briefly about the final J6 hearing. So let's talk about it. Yesterday was the last January 6th public hearing of this Congress. And in this particular hearing, they proceeded to move to do a criminal referral on former President Trump and one of his lawyers, John Eastman. In essence, what a criminal referral is by Congress is a referral. In other words, a recommendation to the Attorney General and the Justice Department to press criminal charges on an individual. In this case, the former President Trump and one of his lawyers, John Eastman. A criminal referral is just that, a referral, a recommendation. It does not mean that the Justice Department is going to press criminal charges on Donald Trump yet. Okay? They could, but it's still got to go through the legal process of collecting evidence and, before even an indictment could happen. So, we'll see where that goes. Personally, I do think that there's enough evidence to at least press charges from what I'm looking at. But, this is a big but, evidence does not mean conviction. Okay? Evidence just means that there's enough, at the very least, circumstantial evidence. So we will see where that goes. I think Trump's biggest issue is not going to be the January 6th insurrection. His biggest issue is probably going to be him holding all kinds of classified information in his golf course. I mean, that was not very smart, in my opinion. I mean, that was just utterly stupid. 2016, he railed against Hillary Clinton keeping classified documents as Secretary of State. Sorry, this car. The President of the United States has even more classified documents than the Secretary of State. And people were just kind of walking in and out of the entire property. There's a report that, Trump posed with apparently some sort of foreign national who posed themselves as a vendor something, one of those rich old school families, when she really was not. So it doesn't seem to me that it's that difficult to get inside Mar-a-Lago. If you say that this is your name and you flash some money. So that might be a bigger issue than the insurrection. And that's really because, Trump can argue, or his legal team can, argue that all he did was talk. He did not actually do anything but talk. But we'll see. I'm not a lawyer, and I'm not pretending to be one. I'm just trying to be as subjective as possible. So that's my take. Anyway, hope everybody has a good day. I'm gonna finish smoking this good cigar and start my day job. Take it easy.